Are you looking to get reviews using a QR code so your customer can scan the QR and leave a review after the services? Well, in this video, I will show you step by step how you can do that. To do it, you will require two things: a Gmail account and a Google My Business page. The page must be already verified. When you have these two things, you need to visit business.google.com or simply search for GMB. Here you will see your business page here. Click on View Profile. Next, you need to search for this option, Ask for Reviews, or if you don't find it, simply click Share. When you click on Ask for Reviews, you will get this pop-up. You need to copy the following link. Now visit qrgenerator.org. It's a free QR code tool. Here, make sure to choose the correct type, which is link, and paste the copied link in this field. The QR code will be automatically generated. Now, you can customize it if you would like to. Once done, click on Save button and download in your desired format like PNG. Now we will move on the next step, which is having a printable card. You can get this free template in the video description. You need to simply paste your QR code in the center. You can adjust the size, and now our card is ready. You can simply print it and place in your shop. Now finally, it's time to test it. To test it, we are using Scan QR app. As we scanned, you can see it directly landed us on the review page. So your customer can also leave a review directly without any friction and with just a simple scan. This will not increase the interaction rate, but also the number of reviews and boost your local SEO. I hope this video will help you to get more clients. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if this video was helpful.